How to add a new sim to a household in The Sims 4. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sims to your household in The Sims 4. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first, open the household that you want to add a sim to. From there, what we need to do is go up to the top right, select Manage Worlds, and then save and go to Manage Worlds, or just go to Manage Worlds, whatever you want to do. From there, select the world where you currently have your sim, and then just select an open lot. Once we do that, go down to the bottom right and select Create New Household to move in. We'll then have to go through the process of creating our new sim. You'll have to give it a name, and then aspirations. After that, select Play in the bottom right, and it will move them into the household. From there, what we need to do, select their new household, and then go down and select the three dots, and then Move Out Household. After you've moved them out, where it says Moving, select the lot where you want to move your new sim, and then select Confirm, and then Move In. So now our new sim will join our old sim's family, as you can see, and then select the checkbox for Move In. And now if we go to that and play it, both sims are there, so we've now added a new sim to our household in The Sims 4. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.